Last time.
Sounds like my friend Boxy.
But this time, we need a frying pan, a flipper, some bread, a banana, a lighter, a grill, an egg, some candles, and me. And a toilet. Let's light 'em up. Now this duck produces fresh egg. Heat up the pan. Cut a circle into the bread. Crack open your egg. Now you can play a little bit of golf with this. Just scrape up your steamed egg. And what a hole-in-one! Now let the toilet steam the egg.
Leave the lid down for 5 minutes. And that right there is the best bread egg you're ever gonna eat. Just gonna leave it in the toilet to cool down for about 2 minutes.
Set your entry grid. Close, lock the system, neutralize your field, and the light is green, crap is clean.
Give it a chance to cool down, and you can do whatever you want during waiting for it to cool down. Me personally, I like to eat a banana.
Baby, you know you're the one for me.
For every 100 subscribers, Bazariah slaps my face on video for your enjoyment.
You're about to see some food cooked in the most luxurious way from the comfort of your home in the toilet stove. Yep.
Dip your bread in the egg, like so. Or something that looks like that. Flushing the toilet gives it that bit of, that cream texture.
Let's give it a go. You don't want to eat too much of this because it might make you feel sick. But you can eat some more. Next time we're going to be cooking fish and chips via toilet stove.
It flushes your system out as well.
Next time.
How do you turn this thing off?